All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. In this video, we're gonna install this Custom Dynamics vent light and this Custom Dynamics fairing light on my 2020 Streak Light CVO that you see right here. If you're new to the channel, on this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Streak Light CVO and on my 2022 BMW R-Tilt 50 GS. And we do cinematic drone footage, destination rides, group rides, product upgrades, product reviews, just like we're about to do here. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. If you've been subscribed to the channel, you know I've got Custom Dynamics on just about everywhere on this bike. Let me turn this on here real quick so you can see it. So that's Custom Dynamics. That's Custom Dynamics right there. Custom Dynamics, again, all the way around the bike. And that's Custom Dynamics right there as well. And as you can tell, I don't have the vent, and nor do I have this trim here. And Custom Dynamics was nice enough to send me both of those products, and I'm gonna get them installed here right now. Now, in this video, it's not gonna be a full install video. There's a ton of videos out there already. I'll walk you through kind of the steps that you have to follow, but again, a ton of videos out there, and as a matter of fact, one of the best videos which I reviewed, so I know what I'm doing to do this install, is Be the Boss of the Motorcycle. So he's got an awesome video. He did the same upgrade that I'm about to do here on the bikes. So make sure you go check out his video if you want like really specific, really detailed instructions. He did a really great job in that video. But I wanted to show you, what it looked like now here before, and then after I'm done with the install, we'll show you here, we'll shut the lights off and give you a nice view. And again, I think this will round out all of the lights that I'm gonna install on this bike. I've got the rear with full Custom Dynamics, and I just gotta finish that here in the front. And that's what we're about to do now, so let's jump right in. So basically what we've gotta do here is, obviously we've gotta remove this fairing, we've gotta remove this vent, there's some glue there that we gotta remove. You gotta clean that up. You gotta remove this trim here, and then there's here, back there. Again, pretty customary for this stuff. We'll get that done. And then let me show you all the stuff that comes here with the product. You've got great instructions here in color on this particular one. This is the vent light here. This is the instructions on the trim, and here's the trim here. Let's see what it looks like there. Now this is the latest version of this, which is really cool because all of these are light up, no space in between, and these will also turn amber, and it's also sequential, so it's gonna look really, really cool once it's done. So this is what comes here in the package: a harness, the new bolts that we will use, because once you put this on, you've got to use these bolts, which are bigger. And then this is what comes with the vent light here. There you go. And that's it. The great thing about Custom Dynamics products, obviously, is that these are all plug and play. So I've looked at Rob's video a bunch of times, so I'm gonna start taking this apart. I'll show you some parts here and there, but again, not a full install video. And then I'll show you here at the end what it looks like. All right, so as you can see, I've taken the fairing off. I have the lights here. I'm just kind of pre-running the wires just to make sure. I've taken the blinkers off here. This plug is going to be used. I'll show you that here in a minute. And you can see here the fairing is completely off. The next step is you got to take this kind of vent cover off here. There's an adhesive there, and then two adhesive here on the top. Hopefully you can see that there well. Once you take those off, these snap off. This will come right out, and then the new light will go here. Now, one of the things that I haven't seen necessarily on any of the installs is, how you run the wires when you're installing both the vent as well as the fairing light. And basically, the easiest way to do that is first run the wires to this, plug it in through the signals, and then run the wires of the fairing, and then connect it with the adapters that are here. That's basically the order that I'm doing it in. So look, if any of you have done this before and you've got a better way to do it, leave it down in the comments below, but that's how I'm gonna do it. So let me take this off and then I'll start to show you that here in a minute. All right, quick update. Believe it or not, this part right here, taking that glue off of there is so freaking tedious and such a pain in the neck. That's actually what took the longest time out of this whole thing. I just spent the last good 20 minutes just cleaning this off so it's nice and smooth in there so that it's ready for the vent light that's gonna go on here now. So just have, glue be gone. I had a heat gun that I used to sort of take all of that off. This is actually what it looks like. So taking this off from there, pain in the neck. So just FYI, make sure you plan accordingly. All right, so the project is complete. Let me show you here what it looks like. First, let me turn the lights on. So this is what it looks like, obviously with the lights off. I think this looks really awesome. The black contrast matches perfect with the rest of the bike, matches perfect with the housing on the light. So now let me show you what it looks like turning it on. That looks pretty awesome. Put the right signal on. Of course, this is sequential. Put the other one on. And let's put the blinkers on. So there you have it. The bike is now completely set up with all Custom Dynamics lights. Again, special thanks to Custom Dynamics for sending this out. Let me show you all of the Custom Dynamic products that I have on the bike. Latch lights, right there. These are Custom Dynamics CBO inserts, a lot brighter than stock. That looks absolutely awesome. And by the way, this install was really, really easy. I showed you some of it. Again, make sure you go check out Rob's video. He has a really detailed video outlining all of the steps that you need to follow if you want to follow a step-by-step instructions on installing both the vent as well as that fairing light. So do me a favor, if you like this content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.